Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Chioma Ozulorah, and if you're just stopping by for the very first time, you're most definitely welcome. So today is one of those days we're going to be learning the products and the equipment we use to start our hairstyling business. So if you're new in the hair industry, or if you've been confused on product to buy, or if you just need to get all your products and maybe you need to write them down, or you need to plan going to the market or something like that, this video is for you. So just stick through and keep on watching. So guys, this product that is actually being used to straighten this hair is a revamping hair product. I'm going to be listing a lot of products that I use to revamp hair and to make hair brand new. That is if your hair is as old as shit. By the time you get to use all these products I'm going to list on this video, your hair will be as brand new. So guys, these are the products that I use for wig revamping. So guys, coming from the left, that is my Tresemme conditioner. Then the one beside it, the one in purple, that's my Tresemme volume hair shampoo. Then the milk hair treatment in the middle. Now this one is, the product is very expensive, but if you really want to treat, like you have a very good hair that you want to treat, this comes in handy, as it is very good for bringing hair back to life. So guys, right there in the middle is my milk hair treatment. Now this product is kind of pricey, but trust me, it is very good. A little goes a long way when you want to revamp hair, especially when you have very good hair that you want to revamp. This product goes a long way. It will bring the hair from shitty to brand new. Yeah, so there I have my hair mayonnaise to moisturize your hair. I have my silicone mix, and I also have my argan oil hairspray to give the hair a little bit of shine, not too much, just spray a little bit here and there, and it goes a long way, trust me. So here I have my different types of shampoo. Now this is the big size. If you know that you don't want to be going to the market to and fro, just get the big size. Just get this like this. I just put it on the screen for you, just this 4, or you can just get 2 for a start. But trust me, this will come in handy, especially when you start having recurring customers who don't want to be going to the market to and fro. Yeah. So guys, this is my maca powder with collagen for revamping hair. Like, this is the latest addition to my revamping hair kit. As time goes on, I'm going to be making videos on how to revamp hair. I'm going to be making videos on how I use these products. Yeah, so just stick through. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you're still watching up to this time. Please kindly subscribe and turn your notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Also share my channel, okay guys? So this is my Garnier flexible control hairspray. This is my Hawaiian CUK 14-in-1. Then this is my lace bond glue. This is also another Wonder lace bond glue that I use. This is another one lace bond glue as well from Wonder. So guys, I decided to make a specification here on the type of conditioner, the one that will add real moisture to your hair. So this is the one I currently use. I decided to give a specification for that. So guys, you also need a sewing machine to wig your hairs. Now this is the type I use. You see the different kind of sewings it comes with. It comes with the zigzag, the straight stitch, and also different type of stitches. So guys, you have to do a little bit of learning when it comes to using this sewing machine. This is the pins you need. This is the footer. You might need to get an extra footer. This is the threads that I use. Yeah, get the big one, and also you can also get this type. So this is another liquid hair adhesive, like a hair gel, but not like a glue. You can also add it to your stash if you don't want the hair to like lay a strong hold on the hair, just like a gel adhesive here that can be easily removed, not like a glue. So you can actually add this to your stash. So these are the tweezers that I use for plucking my frontals. This is another type that I also use for plucking frontals. You can also get the both of them if you can't find the first one, the one that comes with the black skin. You can also get this one as well. So these are other hair products: hair glue, mint spray, bold hold. A lot of them I just decided to do just snap pictures, and so that I wouldn't leave anything untouched. So you need your developer. Yeah, you need it to tint your hair lace. Very essential guys, you really need this. So this is the hair tint mousse, like the lace tint mousse, sorry. So this is the one I use. This is the back of it. I just showed the front. Then this is the ultra set hairspray. You actually need this too. So this is the detangling, smoothing hair brush. It comes with the electric, and it also comes not with the electric. Yeah, so this is just a video of me. This is just a video, not of me though. This is just a video on how to use the detangling brush. Yeah, the electric one. So this is how to use it. I decided to insert it here so you guys see how it works. So by the time you tongue the hair, like you turn it, the hair becomes smooth, so you guys can see. After she has used it, then she used the other detangling brush to smoothen the hair. These are other type of brush that you need as well. These are all detangling brush for coily hair. Yes, this is specifically for coily hair. So guys, this is your shampoo cap. This is the place you use to mix your developer, anything you want to mix. This is your flexi rollers for coily hair. This is a set of combs you actually need to use. This is another set of combs as well. This is a spray bottle in case you're mixing anything. You can actually use this. This is also hairpins, hair clips, whatever you may call them. These are crimpers, guys. You need that. This comes in handy when you begin to style hair. I also have a video on the channel on how to use your crimpers, so you guys can go watch that. I'm going to link it on the description box. So this is your coiling iron. This is your blow dryer. Try to get this one with the pointy mouth. It comes in handy. Then this is your hair straightener. Try to get exactly this type. Then this is your hot comb, guys. Very much important. This is a set of combs that you actually need to use as you go on your hair journey. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, like and share, turn on your post notification to know when I'll be posting another video. I'm going to be posting everything hair, everything styling of hair, everything natural hair, everything skincare, everything beauty in general. So guys, I just realized that I didn't mention the exact Hawaiian silk you're supposed to be buying. Now, the Hawaiian silk comes in two forms. Now, the one I use is the Miracle Worker 14-in-1. So that's the one that you're supposed to be buying when you go to the market. So when you go to the market, there are a lot of products. So you have to shine your eye and open your eye very well to make sure that you're actually buying the correct thing, especially when you're doing hair revamping. I specialize in hair revamping, and the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker is the one I use. That is the one that actually works for me. So guys, you also need your eco styling gel for your on the go frontal styling. You also need your shine and jam for if you're into braids. You also need it. Then you need your hair mayonnaise. I'm actually showing you this so you get to know the actual one you're supposed to buy. Then guys, you see this coil anywhere you see, just sneak it into your bag. Just take it and just put it inside your bag. Like, just buy it immediately, because it's actually scarce to buy, actually scarce to see, especially in the area where I stay. It's actually good for revamping coily hair. It's very good. Like, the hair will transform. Like, the hair is going to change. Like, you too, the stylist, you're going to be shocked. So guys, anywhere you see this coil products, like, just buy two at once and just put in your bag. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. Welcome to the hairstyling world. Welcome to the beauty world. Welcome. Please, if you're still watching up to this time, please subscribe to my channel. Comment your thoughts and tell me how your hairstyling journey has been so far, and I'll be glad to read through. Bye bye.